Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Westpac app shows a something went wrong error message, this usually means a temporary system issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, close the app completely, and wait for a few minutes before reopening it. Then, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're not able to do so, make sure that your connection that you're in is stable. Then head over to your app store, search for the app and update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then if the error keeps on appearing, log out and log back in or reinstall the app to clear corrupted data, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.